In this video, we'll walk you through the safe and responsible use of AQ200, our targeted aquatic herbicide for controlling free-floating, emergent and submerged aquatic weeds. AQ200 is only for use in farm dams, irrigation channels, artificial watercourses and managed enclosed waterways. Before you begin, review the AQ200 product label and the safety data sheet, available at aquatictechnologies.com.au. It's vital to understand safe handling and application procedures. Before opening, mixing or applying AQ200, you need to use the correct safety PPE. Personal protective equipment is essential. The required PPE to use AQ200 includes elbow-length gloves when mixing and chemical-resistant gloves when applying. Eye protection, such as goggles and face shields, protective clothing or coveralls, and an A1P2 or equivalent face mask. When pouring AQ200 to mix, pour directly from the original container into the spray tank. Do not decant AQ200 into other containers. If required, use a drum tap to reduce splash and improve control. Spray only the targeted areas containing aquatic weeds using a shower spray nozzle, not a mist. Minimize exposure by maintaining a safe distance and walk backwards when spraying to avoid walking into sprayed areas. Avoid overspray to protect non-target vegetation and aquatic life. AQ200 is registered for use only in farm dams, irrigation channels, artificial watercourses, and managed enclosed waterways. After use, thoroughly clean all equipment with clean water and store AQ200 securely. These guidelines help ensure the safe and effective use of AQ200. For more information on AQ200, check out our other videos on how to treat free-floating, emergent, or submerged aquatic weeds and what to expect after treatment. You can visit our website aquatictechnologies.com.au.